Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your OnePlus 15 heating while charging. So first, it's normal if you're using fast charging. So if you use the original adapter and the original cable, then it's normal that your phone is heating up because you're using the fast charging. So your phone charges up faster, but it just generates more heat. So there's nothing to worry about. Now, if this isn't the normal heating, like the fast charging heating, then what you guys can do is check for background apps that can cause heat and high power consumption. So go over to the settings, and right here in the settings, you guys need to scroll down to battery, and here scroll down until you guys see since last full charge. Here we have the battery usage. Now here we have the battery usage by app. As you guys can see, the system launcher, settings, and files by Google are my top 3 apps. So we cannot do anything about the system launcher and the settings, but files by Google, we can force stop the app right here. And we can also do that for a lot of other apps like messages, Chrome. We can view more apps here, and we can, let's say, force stop even wallpapers. So this is where we can easily do that. Now, as I've mentioned before, if you're using the original charger and the cable, that is normal, but I would recommend you guys using it still, because you can use some third-party chargers, bricks, and cables, and that may also be the reason why your phone is heating up more than it should. Now, if you're using your phone while charging, so for an example, gaming, watching TikTok, YouTube, or anything else, then it's normal that your phone will heat up more. So I would recommend you guys avoiding your phone while charging it. And if you have a case for it, as you guys can see, I don't. But if you do, then I recommend you guys remove it, because sometimes the heat can get trapped right here, and it can basically improve the heat dissipation when you remove the case. And lastly, what you guys can do is charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.